What's up, guys? Russ Tools and Tech, and today we're going to set this pole in concrete. It's going to be holding a solar panel to power the electric motor for the gate. But this could be a fence post or whatever you're doing. And if you want to know how and why I did this, link in the description below. But first I'm going to dig the hole. So the tools needed are, you're going to need a post hole level like this one. And all the links are in the description. And don't be a D, guys, use links. You're going to need a shovel. And you're going to need a hard rake to get the landscape rocks out of the way. You're going to need, I use a piece of plywood to put the dirt on top of so it doesn't mix in with the landscape rocks. I also use this digging bar, this metal digging bar to break up the dirt, but I'm going to try soaking it for a few hours in water to kind of soften it up. It should be easier to dig. We'll find out, and I'll let you guys know. So, then you're going to need concrete and some water and something to mix it up with. So, alright, so here's the hole so far. I've just been using the digging breaker bar or whatever. It's got two ends. It's got a sharp end and a flat blade end. So I just grab it about 2 feet high, throw it down hard, and kind of go break the dirt up. Now you want the hole around at the top a little wider than at the bottom, so it's easier to remove dirt, but not too wide because you don't want to work too hard. We're trying to work smarter, not harder. So just kind of do this just enough to get a shovel in there and get the dirt out. And I'm about a foot. I need to go 2 feet for this pole. Alright, now let's get some of this dirt out. Put it on our plywood. Once I start getting really deep and this shovel becomes too hard to fit in there, I'll just use this little hand garden trowel or whatever to pull it out. Because I don't want to dig a huge hole because that's more work. Just enough to get the dirt out and put the pole in with the concrete. Look how hard this stuff is. So one of the pros of it being really hard soil, this clay, is that it doesn't crumble in around it and refilling the hole. One of the cons is it's really freaking hard and it's super hard to dig. So pros and cons to this. And as I go deeper and deeper, you know, I go deeper and deeper. It's like, okay, do I really need this 2 feet deep? I don't know about that. So the spec's gonna get less and less. It's holding a 10-pound solar panel. So yes, if you have a concrete foundation holding up a deck or a building or something, you want to go that deep. But I'm thinking maybe 18 inches or I'm not exactly sure, so I'll do some research, figure all that out. But the deeper I get and the harder it is to dig, the less I want to put in the ground. Alright, so this is how you measure the hole depth. Here's the hole. You put something level on the ground above it. Then you take your tape measure and you measure inside the hole, the bottom, to your level that's over the ground. And we got 14 inches right here, so we're thinking 18 is good, so 4 more inches to go. I also didn't want these too high. I wanted a good amount of concrete above that. So it's, you know, for all those reasons. And it's much easier to cut this end of the pipe off with an angle grinder than it is to dig the hole. But 4 inches ain't much, so I guess we can do that. Alright guys, so we dug it. We got about 18 inches deep. This is how we measured the depth. And approximately 18 inches level right here. So now we gotta figure out how much concrete we need. I'd say a bag or two, but Mr. Electrical Engineer is going to say, well, this is a conic section with a diameter of 12 inches, so we're gonna measure the volume of a conic section with this circumference of 12 inches. And you're gonna come to the same conclusion, a bag or two. But however you figure out that, now we're going to mix it up and pour it. And we do have about 7 inches above where the bolts are sticking out, so it won't get yanked out. Then we're going to use the post leveler and we should be done. Wait a second. I think I see China. Hey, where's my Temu order? I'm just kidding. But seriously, this was not too bad, and my mom told me to get an education so I didn't have to dig holes for a living. Well, guess what, Mom? I'm still digging holes. Hi. And that's it. That's how you dig a hole. Okay, so the old man went out and talked to somebody and told them what they were gonna do, what we're gonna do, and they talked him into getting this fence post concrete, right? Well, that's not what I know, and I don't know how it's gonna turn out, and let me explain why. So this may be fine, but I don't know it. Now look at the instructions, right? This is what he got. It's quickcrete fence post concrete mix. Now when you read the instructions here, it says basically you put water in the hole first. Then you don't mix this stuff. You just pour it in dry with the pole in place, and you pour it in dry around it. Then you don't even add water. It just says concrete will harden due to absorption of water from the ground. Speed up process, water can be poured over it. Like, no, I know just to mix it and whatever. So I'm taking this back because I don't know exactly how it's going to turn out. Maybe it would be good, but I'd rather just have it good. So return this, get some quick set, and then I'm going to just do like normal. Mix it up first, then pour it in the hole. And quick set will set quick so we can get it level, and I won't have to be standing around holding my pole for a half hour, you know? Again. Alright guys, so we took that other stuff back, and we got some good old-fashioned fast-setting quickcrete, the kind I'm used to. You can just pour it in the hole, but we're gonna mix it before we pour it. And it sets hard in 20 minutes or less. So that's even faster than your blue pill. I mean, really. So we're only gonna use bottled water because we are very classy concrete workers. No, I'm just kidding. That's just for measurement, right? You want no more than 2.3 liters per bag. So we got 2.3 liters of water there, and let's mix her up, right? Okay, so I hit it with a sledgehammer, a block of wood on top. Check out that level, bam. So we might not need the man to just stand there holding the pole, but he'll be ready because he went to college just to hold a pole the correct way. Okay, so here's the pole. As you can see, we got the post level. You want it as high as possible. That way it's more accurate with the level, and you want it level both ways. That's why you get one of these post levels. You want it level both this way and front to back. So as you can see right here, I can't see what you see. As you can see right here, there's a level on this side and this side, right? That looks pretty good. I stay out of the sun. I use one of these pop-up tents. When you're done with all your tools, get the hose and wash them all off. That way your tools are clean of concrete junk. And I'm gonna come up and wipe this stuff off too. Then I'm gonna cover this with dirt and then get the landscape rocks all the way up to the pole so it just looks real nice. And I hope you learned something, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you for watching, and for more tools and tech, check out rawruss.com. I appreciate it. Love you guys. Bye. So we just had this wall added, right? The wall for the edge of the backyard was basically right here where the trash can is in this table. And so we took that down and extended the backyard all the way with this sliding gate right here. It's got a motor. It's motorized automatic. That pole was for the solar panel that's going to power it. Now, if you want to see more videos on that, that's going to be soon. The motor for the sliding gate and how to wire it up and make it solar powered and all that. Check out those videos coming soon. But let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Tools and tech and other cool spit. All right, I appreciate it. Bye, guys.